Hey guys, I just want to quickly tell you today I have been getting notifications from Amazon telling me an item that was in one of my saved lists was on sale. That particular item happens to be my photo storage box, or seed storage box is what I use it for. It is on sale and I just wanted to make sure to share that with you guys, but I hope that you will check that out. I will share the link in the description. I have done a video on that box in the past. I'll see if I can find it and link it. It's been a couple years back. I hope that you enjoy. It's a great way to store your seeds, as you'll see. So here are my two cases that I use. This one is for herbs and flowers. And I labeled these myself, but just so you can see, like, the packets, they just fit in there so perfectly. And then if anything does come loose, at least it's contained. And then this one is my vegetables. And you can see I've got my brassicas down here that I still need to stick inside there that I just haven't had time. But anyway, this is it. And the sale that I got the notification on is for the one photo box. But I'm also going to include a link because I noticed there's a 2-pack that's even cheaper if you break it down per box. I'm going to include all of that in the description. While we're talking about seeds, I also want to say that I have been working on something so fun and I cannot wait to fully share it with everybody. But in the meantime, if you like to start your garden by seed, or if you're a seed saver, seed collector, anything like that, or if you know someone who is, I am looking for 5 volunteers that are interested in receiving a whole bunch of free seeds. And it's just a fun thing. There's no money involved or anything like that. So if you are interested in being one of my 5 guinea pigs, I just need 5 people. Email me at secondmilejourney@gmail.com. I'll include that in the description as well. And I will fill you in on all the details. And it's going to be a really neat thing that I've been working on, trying to find a way that I can get free seeds to people who want them so that we can start encouraging more people to become more sustainable and fall in love with this lifestyle. So anyway, send me an email and I can't wait to hear from you. While I'm talking about sales, I also want to tell you that if you have a Dollar General in your area, right now is the time to go check out their garden supply section. They've got everything out there marked as 50% off or more. There have been many planters, hanging baskets, like really cool hanging, like the wicker hanging baskets for indoor plants. Some really neat boho looking plant stands for inside, everything. All kinds of things I have been getting for a penny. Some of it's just $1, some of it's 50 cents. And I'm talking like things that are like normally 20 bucks have been marked down like below $5. So they are way more than 50% off. So I just want to encourage everybody, go hit up all of your local Dollar General stores. Every time I'm in the vicinity of one over the past couple of weeks, I've been stopping because I have gathered tons of neat deals. Just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope this helps somebody so that you can stock up for the next gardening season. Good luck, and remember to go the second mile with somebody in your life and with your resources. And hey, that's a good way to go the second mile with your resources, by stretching that dollar. Thanks for watching.